Hello everyone, so in today's video I want to show you how to choose some tops for summer. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So today's video is going to be very similar to my how to choose a swimsuit video, so if you haven't seen that on the channel and you're interested in that, maybe go ahead and check that one out as well. I'll put a link in the description box down below. But today's video is all about how to choose tops. So I'm gearing these tops more towards summer since it is so hot outside. However, these tops will work if you have like a mildly chilly winter and it's not super cold as well, because I pair almost everything I wear all the time out with some sort of sweater. So sweaters are my best friend. If you know me, you know that about me, that I love sweaters. I wear them all the time with pretty much everything that's not already sleeved itself. So all the tops I'm going to be showing you today are either short sleeves, spaghetti strap, or like a tank top kind of style. The cool thing about these tops too though is that you can dress them up or down. So that's pretty much how I style my clothes. I buy everything to make sure they will fit my style. So I want to make sure that most of my tops will be appropriate for work. So business casual will be appropriate for casual wear, just out and about every day, lounging around the house, or also for a date night or something like that. So that's kind of how I style my tops, how I choose them. So let me go over the types of tops I choose, pricing, and all of that. So some different tops, and I'll share where I've gotten them from too. Now keep in mind these tops are a few years old now because I keep my clothes forever. However, I'm sure there's certain styles and things that you could find online very similar to that as well. I know recently I've been choosing a lot of tops that are from Amazon, but these are some of my tops that are perfect for summer that I still wear around in the summer, and I just got them a few years ago. So to start out, there's this one which has really nice sheer kind of lace pattern on it, and this one I actually got from my mom. Thank you, Mom. And she has given this one to me, and I love it with a pair of dress pants. This is how I usually wear this top. It's usually more of a business casual kind of look, and a pair of black dress pants, and I tuck it in, and it looks really nice. And then I also pair it with a sweater as well, kind of like the sweater I'm wearing today. So something to dress up. Although you could also pair this too with a nice pair of jean shorts, not super short shorts, but a little bit longer. That's probably the other way I would wear this specific top. So the second top I wanted to share, another one of course that I would pair with a sweater. This one is from Ann Taylor or Loft. I can't remember if I shared where this one was from. This one was from Coldwater Creek. I'm not sure if Coldwater Creek is still around. Sorry, buddy. But if it is, then make sure to check that out. We don't have one anymore where I live, so unfortunately I can't go back and get similar things to that. But I do have some other great stores in mind too, like Ann Taylor or Loft is another great option, and I have this spaghetti strap top. And this one's really nice because it is long and it is flowy. And so in the front and the back, hopefully you can see that okay. It's really long, it's really flowy, has bright, pretty colors. I usually hand wash this to keep the colors really nice. And it's got this kind of patterning right here. I'm not sure if the camera will pick that up or not, but I really like it. And then this again is one of those shirts that's a little bit bigger. It's not a fitted shirt, it's what I call flowy, and I really like that style. So flowy is probably my favorite style just for my shape and size and everything. So great option too if you don't want something that's skin tight. Also, like I said, I pair this one with a sweater, and then I usually would wear this either to a nice date night or business casual. And the next one I got is kind of a splurge item. So just to let everyone know, the prices of the tops that I'm going to be sharing with you today are all in between $25 and $30. So I shop completely on sale when I shop. If it's too expensive, I look at the tag and I put it right back. I don't even try it on because I don't want to be tempted. Or same thing when I'm shopping on Amazon. If it's on Amazon and I really like it and it's too expensive, but I still want to give it a try, then I'll put it on my list and I'll just wait for that price to drop. However, if it's really, really expensive, I won't even add it to the list or anything because I figure the price will never drop. Or I wait until it's in that budget of $25 to $30. That's the most I really ever spend for a top, and $30 is pushing it. Usually it's more of those online purchases just because those tend to be a little bit more expensive, but you're paying for convenience, so it's kind of a trade-off. The next one I wanted to share though is very similar to the last one but in white, and it has a little bit of different patterning. So this one I actually got from a boutique in my hometown, and it's really, really cute. It's a great material. It's like this beautiful cotton material, and then it's got this lace detailing down here. So I really love this one. This one I've worn in lots of different ways. I wore this with a pair of leggings before, so dressing it a little bit more casual, but this is being the dressy part of the outfit. And then also you could wear this with a nice pair of jeans, or even with a nice pair of dress pants or a skirt, depending on how you could situate it. For me, I wouldn't necessarily wear this with a skirt just because I don't have any skirts that I feel like would go with this, but I'm sure you could, and dress this up as well. I also, since it is spaghetti strap, would wear a sweater when I wear it. The next one is more of a casual style, and again, thank you, Mom. I'm not sure where she got this. It looks like something you could probably find at Kohl's or Target, and it is wonderful. It's a little bit shorter in the front and a little bit longer in the back. So this is something I would wear every day, although you could wear it with a pair of dress pants too and get away with a business casual, as I've done that before as well. But my favorite way to wear this is either with a pair of leggings or a pair of jean shorts. I just love this casual style. And it's still flowy. It's not super skin tight, although you could tie it and make it a little bit more fitted. But I like to keep it long and flowy, and it's just such a cute top. Great for everyday wear, and it's very soft. So something you could probably find at Target or Kohl's would be my guess for this one. And then the next one I actually did find at Kohl's, and I found it in the clearance section, so this is one of my favorite tops. It just says love on it. I love to pair this, actually, no pun intended, with either a pair of sweatpants or a pair of leggings. That's my favorite way to wear this top. It's just a really cute, fun, casual look. The nice thing about this too is it's such a soft material. You could also wear this to bed as well. So lots of different ways to wear these tops. And I love the casual look of it, just when I want something just a little bit more dressed down. And then this one has been a new obsession of mine, a new favorite, and it's a long flowy t-shirt. I know what you're thinking, why is she showing us long sleeves in the summertime? But I actually do wear a lot of sleeves even in the summertime to protect my arms from the sun, because I normally would wear sunscreen if I'm not wearing anything with sleeves. So I just always try to keep my arms covered. I want to keep my skin really nice, and I feel like that's the best way. It's just really hot where I live, and it's just the best way for me to make sure my skin is protected. So this one I love, and the nice thing though, even though it is long sleeves, it is very breathable. So it's a little bit of a heavier material, I will give you that, but it's flowy, and so since it's not fitted, it's not really hot to you when you're wearing it. It's just nice and comfy and cool. Even with the thickness of it, I still stay pretty cool in this. I would love to wear this one business casual. This would be great for a pair of dress pants. This would be great to dress up or down, maybe with a pair of jeans or just a pair of dress pants, as I was mentioning before. So it's really nice, it's really flowy, which again works really well with my shape. And so if you're looking for something a little bit more flowy, make sure to definitely check out this. This is actually an Amazon purchase, and it comes in lots of different colors too, which is why I love this top. It's so versatile because I could get it in multiple colors if I wanted to. I picked this, it's kind of like a teal or almost like emerald green color, and it's so pretty. It's my favorite color in this top. I don't think I've gotten this top in any other color yet, but it definitely down the road, something to explore. So also let me know in the comments down below if you have any top suggestions for me or anyone else in the comments. So I'd love to hear from you down below. Also make sure to check out my other videos on the channel as well. Something for everyone. I have fitness content, more fashion content as well. I'm starting to do a little bit more of, just to share my wardrobe since it does mean so much to me. And then cleaning videos as well. So lots of things on the channel, something of interest for everyone. So make sure to check it out and subscribe if you are new. I'll see you in the next video.